Guys, welcome back to another episode at R&D Garage. I'm sitting on a tire machine. Matt's working on his car, as per usual. And today, it's a pretty exciting day because my friends at Matsuri Imports send me a steering wheel for my Z. It's gonna be amazing. One of the most important things that you can have in a Z, well, one of the most important things that you can have in a drift car is your steering wheel. The stock one is just too big, too bulky, has too many buttons, and it just doesn't flow well. It needs to just, you'll be able to, you know, especially in drifting, you have to be able to throw it and grab it, so it has to slide on your hands properly. Other racing forms, you know, you kind of maneuver it around, but and you shuffle it, but you're always holding on to it. In drifting, you have to let it go, and it has to slide smoothly, and when you grab it, it has to not break your fingers. So it is very important that a drift car has a steering wheel. It's just a thing. I was kind of trying to delay that, but luckily my friends knew that it was coming, so they surprised me and they got me one. Let me show you what it looks like. It's pretty amazing looking. It's obviously by D&D. Matsuri Imports logo on it. It's pretty nice. Suede, purple. The quick release is just kind of, oh god, it's just dangling. I just put it on there. It's also a D&D quick release. It's pretty nice, elegant. Very hard spring, I like that. And this is the hub adapter for a 350Z. So you can just put it on there, tighten it down, and then the steering wheel can bolt onto all this. And if you can see, it has more than the 6 holes that this has, which means it's for different patterns for other adapter, or for other quick releases if you wanted to. See, the stock wheel is like massive. It's got this thing right here. I feel like it still sort of slides well through your hand because it's not as bad back here like other wheels, but still it's so ugly. I don't have any of these buttons, so I don't even have the airbag, so this looks really ugly. I'm gonna start by taking that bolt off, and then I can put the hub adapter in. Well, that was easy. Hey, how do you get the steering wheel off? Never mind. This right here is your button for your horn. When you order the D&D hub adapter, it comes with the button for a 350Z, so make sure you order the one for a 350Z. And here it is. It's pretty easy, it just plugs right in. Ta-da! I don't have a horn. I wonder how it works. Let me see. Just ground this out, I think. I need ground. I'm gonna scare myself, watch. That's all I know. Here we go. Guess not. Ah! I told you I was gonna scare myself. You just gotta touch it. This looks like the airbag delete thing. Oh, I see, it comes with 2, and you just plug it into here. 1, 2, and that's it. Same. This is pretty cool. It has a little dimple right here, and it's like a key for the button. It goes right there on the top. So, run this through here. And line her up. There it goes. So if I was just gonna use this and then this beautiful steering wheel, like so, then I could get a horn button and it would go right there and everything would work just fine. And that's pretty cool. But because I want the quick release for easy access in and out of my car, which I really don't need because I don't have a roll cage in this car, but whatever. I still want it so I can take the steering wheel off. This doesn't have access for a button because the button is wired, and this will be removing the steering wheel. So Yeah. So we're just gonna bolt it up to there, and then this their steering wheel. You can separate them to make it easier. Is mom and dad helping you, Matt?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you guys say hi to the video.
Hey, video.
Everyone's name is Video.
Yeah. Helping Matt with his car doing the wiring. The guys at Matsuri Imports were nice enough to get me these bolts. So they're like all sick neochrome, and they're purple too, which they match not only the steering wheel but the hub. So it's all on and bolted together. Let's see what it looks like. That's nice though, right?
Hold on, let go really quick. You got a little playing something.
Hey, I know that. Leave that alone. Leave my steering out of this, okay? This is a cheap drift build. Okay, there's a little play somewhere in the rack.
I like this like adapter here.
That's what I'm saying.
I have the NRG one, and this one like fits better.
Yeah, this one's very well designed. I really like the fact that it has the hole for the horn button and everything, and then it has a dowel for where it sits. So that's kind of cool. And then it makes it all nice and clean. The one in my S13 is like some plastic thing that you kind of slide over the thing. It's just crap. This one's all nice and billet. Yeah, that's amazing. Drifty drifts, e-brake, that's fake. Shift, more drifty drifts. What do you think?
This is like, I'm gonna be about like right here. No, actually I'm gonna be like this. Insert clip of me just like
just like right there on the door.
That's gonna be the plan.
That's gonna be amazing. This Saturday. It's gonna be sick.
Can we take out your remaining airbags?
Oh, there's airbags?
Yeah.
I guess those can come off. I didn't know those were airbags.
You know what we can do?
Blow them up?
Yes.
I was like, explode them? That sounds like a party.
Right now in the car. Hold on. Okay.
Hell no. Let me get out at least.
But it'd be kind of cool.
No, that wouldn't be cool at all.
What could we do with them?
I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll have a
what we should do with
Wait, we have that barrel. Alright, Matt. Let's go test the steering wheel. Like every time you buy a new mod, you gotta go test it, right? Mm-hmm. So, let's see if it drifts. You want to drive it? You drive it. I've driven it like a lot lately.
Alright, let's move it quickly.
Say what? Oh yeah, don't run that over. I welded though.
You know what that is? That's your like stock bushings back there.
No.
You need a diff brace.
Yes, I do. I need the bell diff brace. Windshield's so dirty. How's the steering wheel feel? Ah! Don't kill me!
Dude, I love it. It feels good.
Suede.
And I like the center thing.
Yeah, because you got like a visual of what it's supposed to look like. Or where it's at.
Oh, you don't have like a handbrake or anything?
No, not yet. We're still installing that next.
Not bad. Shopping.
Let's go.
Come on. Car, quickly, go.
I'm trying. There's a car.
Oh, no.
Ah! Dude, how's the car feel?
Oh, dude, dial.
Right? This is awesome.
Good.
Dang, way to pull in there like the brakes work.
I have my car to stop.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
That's amazing. Cause now you can get out, even though I don't have a roll cage, so you know it's a little different.
It is nicer though. Like,
well,
it's nice not having a cage.
Yeah, but you're a tall guy, like so for you, I guess.
So like, if I were to have it on,
that's like right on there.
Yeah. It's like. And if you have a cage here, you're like, okay, that's alright. You just take that bad boy off, and I set mine there.
Yeah, it's a perfect spot. I'm gonna leave it there. Hey, my lights! Something else. Oh, the key. So, last review. This is amazing. Y'all should go get a steering wheel. So, I put Matsuri Imports' website on the description, and they're also right here in the top corner. Then you can also go on their Instagram, and here's the best part. They're having a steering wheel giveaway. If you like this steering wheel, go on their Instagram, and I believe you have to like their post, follow them, and tag 3 people or something like that. So, or share the post, something like that. It's in there. Go check it out. It's right in the description. Go to their Instagram, win one of these steering wheels for free. I mean, Matt likes it.
I love it.
I haven't driven it yet, but if he likes it, I'm gonna like it. And I've never had a suede wheel, actually. My other one's leather.
I prefer a suede wheel over leather.
Why?
Because I drove with driving gloves on my leather wheel, and they like stuck. Like when you have moisture and humidity, it kind of like, it changes the friction if you have like, especially like plastic or skin, where suede, it's just very smooth.
That's the difference. I don't like driving with gloves. You guys drive with gloves all the time.
I love driving with gloves.
I like gloves, but I don't like gloves. I only use them because they make me in competition. I would drive without shoes if I could. Anyways, thank you guys for liking, subscribing, watching, following through. And don't forget to go follow Matt's channel. Go watch his newest videos and the new ones coming up from Saturday. And stay tuned here. We got more videos coming through about the Z and the builds and what's going to happen next. So thank you guys. Goodbye.